Hi, my name is Philip. Good morning, YouTubers. Want to talk to you a little about, first day at the construction site. My first day at the construction site, mate, was crazy, mate. These people are just animals, mate. I know I'm an orangutan, but these people are mental, mate. My first time, they were like, oi, come here. I was like, me? They're like, yeah. I'm like, what's happening? What's alright? They're like, oi, I just farted. Come and smell it. Yeah. I'm like, mate, I'm not going to do nothing like that. That's disgusting, mate. That's rank, mate. They're like, mate, listen, mate, it's all banter. Simple. Mate, listen, mate. If you want to be in this construction site, mate, you've got to learn how to banter, mate. Banter. It's all about banter. I'm like, mate, I even know your name. You didn't even ask me what my name is, mate. Mate, I don't care about your name, right? Come here and smell me fart. It's all banter. Don't be a spoil sport, mate. Sweet and simple, mate. Yeah. Mate, I'm a big man, mate. I've got kids, mate. I'm a married man. That's all fair, mate. That's rank, mate. I'm that sort of guy, mate. Listen, mate. I'm not trying to offend no one, but, mate, I just come here to do my work, do my job. And that's it, mate. I didn't come here to get in no trouble, mate.